These are people who are used to the base, they're accustomed to the very base. They're accustomed to great service.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel, TopLux Estate, covering here the best and top TopLux in South Florida as far as the residential sector is concerned. Today we are in five-star resort Aqualina. We're gonna take a look at the 36th floor, the unit, which is gorgeous. But before we get to that, I wanted to show you this beautiful state-of-art lobby. We have spa and boutique on the left. Beautiful. We have some lounge area here with the bar. It's amazing. We normally have so much heat and so much sun in South Florida, and today is just such a chill. It's just like, I'm so happy we got that cool off. It's amazing that I can actually wear a jacket. It only happens in Florida, it only happens a couple of times, maybe for the whole year, when you can actually wear a jacket without suffering and sweating too much. So let's take a quick look at what outside offers. This is beautiful. Today we are on the 36th floor of a beautiful Aqualina five-star resort in the Sunny Isles, South Florida Riviera. Okay, this one is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, beautiful, spacious, light, and very tastefully furnished apartment. It's a flow-through unit, so behind me you can see the direct ocean view. It's 36th floor, and you feel like the ocean is right there, and it is. Beautiful feeling here. It's a truly luxury resort, 5-star resort. Not every resort in South Florida is a 5-star, as you know. This one is close by, very nearby to the ocean. So there are actually 4 swimming pools. Among amenities, there are 4 swimming pools, 2 jacuzzis, lots of cabanas. We have spa, we have 24/7 concierge and valet, of course. The amenities as well as the list of services are absolutely amazing. It's just top of the notch. The kitchen is super light and spacious with all the best amenities ever. Whatever doesn't have to stand out, doesn't stand out. We have a refrigerator right here. It's a very spacious refrigerator. We have KitchenAid, microwave. We have miele and the winter wood. So the kitchen is beautifully furnished, of course. And as you probably noticed, the style is very kind of like antique, on the antique side. So it's a very light and it's very tastefully decorated. The dining area is sort of like very cozy, very nice, as well as spacious, and as well as direct oceanfront views right there, right next to us. You can see it. There's actually the balcony and the views right next to the dining. So it's absolutely amazing to have lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever here in this dining. We're gonna start with the master bedroom, I guess. Oh my God, the master bedroom is absolutely fabulous. Look at the lighting here all over, all this lighting. And of course, we have access to the terrace from here. And of course, we have more windows overlooking direct oceanfront. Look at the furniture and ONYX flooring all over the place. Walk-in closet, California walk-in closet, of course. Okay, very light colors. I mean, I love it. So soft. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at this jacuzzi, the hot tub, the double dual sinks for him and her, of course, and a separate shower. Look at this style. And we're gonna move forward to the next room. Let's go over the second bedroom, which has direct intercostal views and city views. Beautiful. Okay. We have the bay. We have Aventura right across from us. This is all Sunny Isles area. Aventura is right across the bay. Beautiful sunset views, guys. Sunny Isles is becoming like a mini Dubai now. Small. So yeah, we can enter through here, and we're gonna end up in a third bedroom. With a king-size bed, and of course beautiful closets. You can store a lot here. The bathroom is great, very spacious. '36 floor, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment, and beautiful resort of Aqualina. That was today's topic. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for becoming our fans, and we're gonna be coming up with better and better stuff as we go. So cheers, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.